way. How many of you like to cook? How many of you have sleepovers, parties at home? Never had one, but you've had parties at your house, right? All right, hands down. So think of this as you're having a get-together, and you want to show off yourself to your friends. Okay? You're having lunch with them. So you want to prepare something nutritious for them. Okay? Ready? Is that a mental picture?
Yeah.
There? It's there? Good. So imagine, okay, so you put on that chef's apron, you put on the hat, you go to your mom's cookbooks, you pull one out, and you get a recipe out. Okay? And it's something easy. So, there, you're going to be making a salad. Mia's amazing fruit salad. And it's actually Mia Hamm. Do you know who Mia Hamm is?
No.
Mia Hamm is one of the world's famous soccer players, female soccer players. So you pull out this recipe, you see it, you look at the ingredients. I have the ingredients, thumbs up. You can do the preparation. You don't need your mom, yeah, because the stove won't be included. Good. Now you go, okay. Now you look at your servings. Why? Because I want to know if I'm making this recipe, how much do I need, or how much is it going to make? And it only makes 4 servings. That's where the problem begins. Why? Because you're having 8 friends over. So what are you going to do? Discuss it with your table. There's your problem. What are you going to do if you're having 8 people over? What are you going to do? Time. So what are we going to do? Vivian. Okay, so you would cut. You're going to prepare the recipe and cut half so that it's, but you want to serve them a good size, and 1 serving is 1 1/4 cup. Imagine if you cut that in half, which is a good idea, he's going to get very little. Ishmael.
You can just make another one.
You can just make another one. Now here's another problem. Yes, you can make another one, but you want to make it quick, so instead of making 2 batches, you want to make just 1. So what will you do? And the boys, their hands go up quick. I think they cook. Yes.
You make a bigger batch than the
I make a bigger batch, but I don't want it to spoil. So I don't want to make too much. I only want to make enough for my 8 friends, because some of them eat too much. So I want to make sure I only serve them 1 time. Yes.
You just have to multiply all the ingredients, like the fractions, times 2.
Multiply them times 2. Why would I multiply them times 2? Marisa. Double the amount of servings. Give me a thumbs up if you agree, or I'm not quite sure, or no. All right, so now, very good, thumbs down. So now what you're going to do is, there is a paper that one of your leaders in your group has with the recipe. I'll go ahead and display them a little larger because the copy's kind of dark. On the bottom, you're going to show me what the ingredients are going to look like if, like Ishmael said, you double the recipe. Okay? I'm only going to give you 10 more minutes, or else we're going to run out of time. Oh, yeah, we'll go back. We'll go back. Sorry. No, you don't do the lesh in the back. You only do the recipe. Okay, look at me over here. Hands and eyes. So So you're gonna go ahead, look at the recipe. There's the white part on the bottom. That's the part you're gonna use to do your math work, okay? Do not use your lash. We're gonna do that later. Sure, you can do anything you need to use your...
Alright, so we have to multiply each ingredient times 2.
Wait,
Oh, no.
Discuss with your group what's the best strategy you can use to solve, to come up with a solution
Just write all the ingredients
for our
down.
party, to make sure that we have 8 servings.
Guys, we have to multiply everything times 2, guys.
Yes. Discuss it with your group. Well, those are the ingredients, correct? Now,
Yeah, and then plus 1. 3. 2 and 1. So
why would you? For example, we have 3 cups of lettuce. You're gonna double it, right? So you make 2 batches. That would be 6. Can you double everything? But that's okay, because by the time you make it, it's gonna make how many servings if we double it?
there we got all the ingredients.
So what are we thinking here?
We're thinking to double all the ingredients.
Double all the ingredients? Okay. How much lettuce would you need?
So it's 1 lettuce, 6 cups of torn lettuce.
6 cups of torn lettuce? Okay. Now, why are you multiplying it times 2?
Because doubling all the ingredients to make a bigger
So what are we doing, boys? I don't hear you.
We already multiplied everything, multiplying the ingredients.
Multiplying all the ingredients? You already did? Then, here's your challenge. Can you triple it? And if you triple this recipe, would you use, what numbers would you use? Your original numbers? Or the ones that are doubled? I could use either one. So if I triple lettuce, what would, how many cups would I need? 9. If I use this number and I triple that number, that would give me 18 cups. So are they the same? No. So which number makes more sense to use as triple? Your original recipe, right? Okay. So if you're done, your challenge is to triple the recipe. tripling it, how many servings does that make? What? You have to double the recipe. What is your problem? What do you have to do?
What